Hey everyone, so I've decided to make these videos because I never really get time to make the videos I want to make, really, and neither do friends. I can't really get them to come and doing videos because they're always busy. But I've decided to make videos answering questions at the moment, so send me any question and I'll answer it the best way I can with video response. Alright. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your holidays if you are on holidays, and if not, have fun working or going to school or whatever you're doing. By the way, I have a unicorn. His name is Galen. Yes, I hope that was very interesting. Alright, bye!